What if I told you we didn't just misunderstand sugar, we misclassified it entirely? Not a small mistake, a category error. Because for decades we treated fructose like fuel, just another calorie. Burn it, store it, balance it. But what if fructose isn't really fuel at all? What if it behaves more like a signal, one that tells your body, energy is about to run out. Prepare. That sounds abstract, but a 2026 review in Nature Metabolism just made that exact shift. The paper is called Fructose, Metabolic Signal and Modern Hazard, and the key line is this: fructose is not only a caloric source, it is a regulator of metabolic health and disease. That is not a nuance, that's a reclassification. If you've been following this channel, this should feel familiar. We've been working off a simple distinction. Glucose is fuel. Fructose is a fuel regulator. It doesn't just provide energy. It helps determine how much energy gets used and how much gets stored. This paper fits that idea almost perfectly. Glucose is tightly regulated. It supports ATP production and meets immediate energy demands. Fructose behaves differently. It bypasses key regulatory steps, is handled largely in the liver, and initiates a cascade that changes how energy is handled across the body. So instead of asking, how much energy does this give me? The better question is, what is this telling my metabolism to do? Here's the key mechanism. Fructose metabolism rapidly consumes ATP, the cell's usable energy, without the normal feedback controls that protect balance. At the same time, it generates uric acid and contributes to mitochondrial stress, which further impairs energy production. So you end up with a paradox. Energy is coming in, but usable cellular energy is going down. And when cellular energy drops, the response is predictable. Appetite increases, energy expenditure decreases, fat storage is prioritized. From the outside, it looks like excess. From the inside, it looks like energy scarcity. That's the signal. And it's not just about what you eat. Your body can produce fructose internally. Through the Polyol Pathway, glucose can be converted into fructose under conditions like high glycemic load, dehydration, salt intake, or metabolic stress. So this signal can be triggered even without dietary sugar. The review links this pathway to obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome, and it also points towards roles and conditions like cancer and dementia. And while the authors stay appropriately cautious, when you look at the mechanism, a repeated reduction in cellular energy, a broader pattern starts to emerge. Many chronic conditions may begin not with damage, but with a sustained constraint on energy. And that challenges the calorie is a calorie idea, because two sugars can carry the same calories and produce completely opposite outcomes. One supports energy production, the other reduces it. So the body isn't just responding to quantity, it's responding to signals. So this review doesn't end the conversation on fructose, it sharpens it. From calorie to signal, from nutrient to regulator, which leads to the real question. If fructose is a signal, can we influence it? If you've been following this work, I'd genuinely like to hear your take. Does this reclassification change how you think about metabolism? Or is there something here that doesn't hold up? Share this with someone who's been stuck on the calories in, calories out model, and let's see where this discussion goes.